Problem 21. We have 7 grades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see these 7 pods. C is kind of special. C is connected with 5 other pods. Only one is not connected. F is also special. F is connected with 5 pods. Only one not connected. So C and F must be assigned with grade 1 and 7. Which one is 1, which one is 7? It really doesn't matter. Let's see. Grade 1 is at pod C. Grade 7 is at pod F. Then look at the figure again. C is only not connected with G. So the only pod that grade 2 can be assigned to is G. Similarly, pod D is the only pod not connected with F. So grade 6 can only be assigned to pod D. Now, let's look at pod A and pod B. A is connected with C and F and G and B. So A cannot be here. And A and B cannot be next to each other. So we must have A here and B here and E here. So grade 1 is at C, grade 7 is at F, and grade 4 is at E. So the sum is 12. The answer is A.